steady hand. Shadows dance, but they can't deceive. In the light, we all believe. Every heartbeat is a drum. Every moment yet to come. Chant it loud, chant it clear. Wisdom's voice is always near. Through the storm, through the fire, lift it higher, lift it higher. Echoes bounce in the canyons hold. Wisdom answers when you call. The sky may weep, the earth may crack, but wisdom's light will lead you back. The lion roars, the mountains shake, the rivers tremble, the earth awake. Smoke in the sky, truth in the flame. Fire of Jah, it calls my name. Oh, fire, 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 fire of Jah, burning bright, no man can mar. Oh, fire, 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 fire of Jah, lighting the path, near and far. The drumbeat echoes through the trees. The wind it whispers, Jah is pleased. Roots grow deep, branches high. The fire of Jah will never die. Rising up, lifting high, a spark of hope, it cannot lie. Oh, fire, 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 fire of Jah, burning bright, no man can mar. Oh, fire, 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 fire of Jah, lighting the path, near and far. dust to gold. Stories of truth the ancients told. The fire of Jah, it purifies. It never sleeps, it never dies. Oh, fire, 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 fire of Jah, burning bright, no man can mar. Oh, fire, 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 fire of Jah, lighting the far, near and far. Oh, fire, 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 fire of Jah, burning bright, no man can mar. Oh, fire, 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 fire of Jah, lighting the far, near and far. Roots go deep where the secrets sleep, whispering tales that the mountains keep. Leaves dance slow in the golden glow. The tree of life, it sways, it knows. Oh, tree of life, stand so tall, catch the sun before it falls. Branches wide, arms to the sky. Tree of life, never say goodbye. Bark so rough, but the heart is kind. Rings of years in a spiral bind. Every storm you've stood your ground through the thunder's roar, and the lost ones found. Tell me your story, old and wise. How do you see with no eyes? Oh, tree of spirits. We gonna rise up high. We gonna touch the sky. Echoes of Zion call, Zion call. Hear the echo, one and all, one and all. Echoes of Zion call, Zion call. Hear the echo, one and all, one and all. Streets are paved with struggle, but hope still finds a way. Children laugh with open hearts, dreaming of a brighter tomorrow. We gonna rise up high. We gonna touch the sky. Echoes of Zion call, Zion call. Hear the echo, one and all, one and all. Echoes of Zion call, Zion call. Hear the echo, one and all, one and is low, where the smoke it twists and starts to glow. Each breath a secret, the winds don't show. The rhythm sways, the trees just so. Hill smoke rising, it never lies. It paints the truth across the skies. Hill smoke rising, so sweet, so high. It's the song of the earth, the fire's reply. Footsteps soft on the mossy ground, echoes lost where no one's found. The night it hums a mystic sound. In the smoke's embrace we're all unbound. Light it up, let it curl round the edge of the world. Hill smoke rising, it never lies. It paints the truth across the skies. Hill smoke rising, so sweet, so high. It's the song of the earth, the fire's reply. Ashes fall like silver snow, roots dig deep where none can go. The flames they dance but never boast. The hill smoke whispers what we love most. Lanterns flicker through the haze so thick. The night whispers secrets, the moon plays its trick. Shadows dance in the mist, a smoky disguise. Every glow a heartbeat under velvet skies. Lanterns in the smoke, they lead us, they know. Lanterns in the smoke, they lead us, they know. Lanterns in the smoke, where the wild winds blow. Follow the flicker, follow the light. Lanterns in the smoke, they burn through the night. Lanterns fade, but the rhythm remains. Smoke drifts slow like memories' chains. We carry the light, though the world turns gray. Lanterns in the smoke guide us on our way. The tide rolls in, it whispers low, a song of peace where spirits flow. Salty breeze, it cools my skin. Drift away to the rhythm where the sun will stay. Ocean of Jah, so wide, so free. Carry my soul on your melody. Ocean of Jah, take me home, take me. Waves, they dance like ancient drums under the moon where freedom hums. Stars above, they guide my heart. Drift away, let the music take the weight away. Ocean of Jah, so wide, so free. Carry my soul on your melody. Ocean of Jah, take me home, take me. shadows slow and still. Eyes half closed, I feel the thrill. The air is thick, it hums a song. This moment short but feels so long. Spliff before the morning calls. Spliff before the trouble falls. One puff, two puffs, feel so tall. The kettle sings a mellow tune. Birds are dancing under the moon. The day's so close, but not too soon. The rhythm hits, it shakes my chest. This sacred calm I won't contest. Spliff before the morning calls. Spliff before the trouble falls. One puff, two puffs, feel so tall. The drum rolls like thunder low. Bassline dips where the cool winds blow. I see the sky, it's painted red. The smoke of Rastafari fills my head. Smoke rise up high, high. Lift me to the blue sky, sky. Oh, Jaja, hear my cry. High. The smoke of Rastafari. The rhythm flows like a river wide. Guitar skank steady, we take the ride. A lion roars inside my chest. The herbs bring peace, I feel so blessed. Whisper to the stars above, chanting songs of ancient love. Smoke rise up high, high. Lift me to the blue sky, sky. Oh, Jaja, hear my cry. High. The smoke of Rastafari. The moonlight dances on the sea. sets us free. Under the sun, the streets hum low, where shadows stretch and the cool winds blow. Broken dreams in the cracks they grow. Sweet Babylon, sweep it slow. Sweet Babylon, dust to the sea. Sweet Babylon, let it be free. Sweet Babylon, down to its knees. Sweet Babylon, sweep it clean. Lights stack high like towers of sand. The tide rolls in, it takes command. Ashes crumble in the palm of your hand. Sweet Babylon, sweep the land. Sweet Babylon, dust to the sea. Sweet Babylon, One step forward to reach wide. We walk together, side by side. Throne of Zion, rise so high. Under the sun, beneath the sky. Throne of Zion, hear the cry. We are the roots, we will not die.
The skies are burning red tonight. A trumpet sounds to shake the night. The earth it trembles, the stars take flight. Who will stand when the winds do call? Who will rise when the mighty fall? The shadows creeping, it touches all. Trumpet of judgment, hear it blow. It shakes the heavens, the world below. Trumpet of judgment, loud and clear. It calls the brave, it stirs the fear. Rivers turn to streams of gold. Mountains crumble, stories told. The echoes whisper, the truth unfolds. A voice that cuts through time and space. It finds the hidden, it leaves no trace. The ancient rhythm, the human race. Trumpet of judgment, hear it blow. It shakes the heavens, the world below. Trumpet of judgment, loud and clear. It calls the brave, it stirs the fear.
The waves are dancing loud tonight. The moon's a spotlight shining bright. Salt in the air, it tastes so wild. A rhythm roaring deep and wide. Sea boy, feel the heat. The ocean's heartbeat can The sea's alive, it claims its throne. It pulls me in, it lets me go. The current knows where hearts must flow. Sea boy, feel the heat. The ocean's heartbeat can't be beat. Sea boy, rise and roll. It stirs the depths, it shakes my soul. A dance of chaos, a liquid roar. A force of nature we can't ignore.